at the House That Never Slumbers, and some of you will remember a while back we did a video, The Taming of the Socks in 572 Easy Steps, where we showed you how we took care of our sock situation that was very similar to this. And on that video, I claimed that I was going to not let the socks get like that again, but that was obviously all a lie. I lied to you, I lied to myself, and look at the socks. We were busy last week. It's been busy here. It's basketball season. Last week we had basketball games every night, and sometimes that was multiple kids playing in multiple locations. So Saturday then my husband had church league basketball and my son had a varsity game, and it's just been busy with basketball season. Basketball is just what people in Indiana do in the winter because our weather here is so lousy that people just have to do basketball. But that's caused our sock situation to get back to just the way it was. And obviously I was a failure at trying to keep up on that. So if I ever say that I'm going to keep up with some kind of household task, you should never trust me when I say that. Because it just goes back to just like this again. It was so bad actually that my husband went out last week and bought a new pack of black Nike socks because he had no clean socks in his drawers. So I think that was his way of sock shaming me into doing something about these socks. No, I'm just kidding. But really, I can't have that because I'm so frugal. I can't stand the thought of wasting money on new socks when we have a lot of new socks and a lot of good socks. They're clean, but they just aren't matched. So I'm going to have to do something about this so nobody has to buy new socks again. And obviously, I'm not very good at staying on top of this situation, but I just wanted to update you on the progress from the video. Basically, we've just taken a step backward again. So, we'll see you next time on The House That Never Slumbers.